Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to open last tab from last session in Microsoft Edge. So right here, as you can see, we will type in here type in YouTube, YouTube right there. It's gonna be here. Then if we close this and we open our Microsoft Edge, as you see, once we click at that, it's not there. So to restore it, and if you accidentally click X on it, I'll teach you how to restore it. To restore it, click here, open tab from previous session, like that. You need to open that up. So when you do this, type in YouTube, then you close that, then you open Microsoft Edge again. You'll still be here at your previous session, previous tab. But let's say um, we have here customs. So here at customs we can add sites that you want, let's say YouTube or Facebook, any of those. So whenever we close it, Facebook, YouTube, or any of those sites will automatically open. So I'm going to show you without even putting them. So we're just going to copy the link. You're going to put add site here. There you go. Even if we didn't type in YouTube there, even if we type just Google like that, there you go. Yeah, there we go. Then we're gonna close this one part here. We're gonna close it. Pap. We type Google, but when we open this, we're just gonna go to the link that we put in. Even how many times we do that, even if we type in G Google and we close that and we open it again. There you go. And let's say you want to do it manually. To do it manually, just go click on the three dots and then click on history. After clicking on history, you will see um, your recently closed right here. Recently closed. So here are the recently closed tabs. There you go. Here is the recently closed tabs right here. So we have search for YouTube and Google, and here are the recently closed tabs. Let's say Google. There you go. Search earlier. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you do it manually. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.